1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris and my blog for today is how to monetize your channel. Yes guys, na-monetize na ang akong channel. One day lang nako na-apply, then pagkaugma, approve na dahil siya guys. It's nice. As my experience is it's difficult to gain 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for a new lang ha. After 6 years akong YouTube journey, 6 years ko naghimo og YouTube guys, pero grabe kalisod. Kanang murag kaundangon na jud ko untana, then after that daghay nag-motivate or kanang ano ko nga is gusto na ko nga kanang ma-monetize ko pero ako lang enjoy ang video is number one lang guys, is you enjoy your upload videos. Primero is kanang bati kayo akong video guys, murag kanang kuan kay wala pa ko'y experience sa YouTube, and nag-search ko, then practice ko vlog, then after that na again is na-monetize na siya guys. Okay guys, how you want to monetize your YouTube journey, how you want to monetize. Yeah, first is guys is sign in the YouTube, then after go to YouTube Studio. Ito sa YouTube Studio guys, muna siya ikaduha. Then ikatuloy, in the left menu, select videos. Select kag mga videos dito. Then select a video. In the left menu, select monetization. Yeah. Mag-select ka ang monetization dito guys. Then choose the type of the ads that you want to run. Pili ka what kind of ads nga imuhang basta kuan nimong ads guys. Then pagka choose then click save. Mo to is click dahil nimo ang save. Yeah, mo na to siya guys. Then mo to siya dali ra kayo ang sekreto ra gid siya guys is kanang ano lang, enjoy lang ang kanang YouTube journey or something. Enjoy vlog lang, kanang enjoy life lang sa pag YouTube. Iyo lang gud career pag ay sa 6 years na ko nag-YouTube guys, pero luckily na kuan na gid siya na-approve ra gid siya kay everyday ko maghimo video kanang unsa na lang akong himuon, explore dito. Then luckily na-inspired ko or gusto kay ang ako gusto na ko kanang ma-monetize sa YouTube kay yeah, the ads is help for us to have some revenue sa atong mga kahago sa YouTube, sa mag-vlog diha. Halos walay tulog kay mag-video lang siya guys. Then ang ikaduha guys is secret is kanang practice editing, kanang upload kanang mag-practice lang kag editing nya, mag-practice og kanang magyaw ikaw ra isa. Then after that is wala kanang para ma-practice ka sa imong YouTube journey. My goal in YouTube is to practice to know how to edit, to know how to vlog, being confident in the camera, and that is the secret of monetizing the video, guys. Monetize siya. And kanang ayaw lang pagwala ka, ayaw pagwala sa paglaom kasi tawag ano, don't be stop balag walking slowly but surely. Yeah, guys, move forward only, then enjoy the YouTube journey and keep vlogging always. And ano lang kanang enjoy lang sa pagba-vlog, then kanang imuha lang i-enjoy ang pagba-vlog diha, even daghay mga bashers or dili ginahan sa imong mga vlog, pero what is the to enjoy YouTube journey lang siya, guys. And next, guys, is the monetize in channel is enjoy lang siya. Then after that is this one. Okay, you search there, guys. Hello, guys, this is next is how to monetize your channel. First, guys, is syempre, of course, maka-gain ka og 1,000 subscribers on YouTube channel. Kanang sige ko sa unang kanang search unsaon pag-gain sa 1,000 subscribers. Then luckily makuha ra na siya, guys, ang 1,000. Next is your videos have generated 4,000 watch time hours over the last 12 months. Makakuha ka og 4,000 within 12 months na siya, guys. Kinahanglan maka-gain ka og 4,000 watch hours. Lisod kayo siya po, guys, pero okay ra na siya. Enjoy lang. Then you comply with all YouTube policies and guidelines. Then you have an AdSense account set up. Yes. Pag ma-monetize na ka, guys, is makuha na nimo ang account, maka-set up na ka sa Google AdSense, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button below, then para ma-updated kayo sa akong mga new video. Then thank you for watching me and enjoy watching for my vlog and keep vlogging. And thank you everyone for subscribing and watching, and don't forget to like and share for my video para may matutunan kayo na ma-monetize yung channel nyo, guys, and hope and enjoy our YouTube journey in life. Thank you and mabuhay.